What's up, guys? Welcome back to part 4 of the abandoned scrapyard series. If you haven't seen the previous episodes, I recommend that you go back so that you can just understand everything that's going on. We're currently driving over there right now, but there is mad traffic. They're really ruining this for me. So we're trying to take Route 1, which is technically like a back road compared to the highway, but it's just packed and jammed up everywhere. We can't even get the turbo to spool. There's so much traffic over here. But you can still hear it though. I hope y'all heard that, because that's music to my ears. Alright, go. Yeah, so we just got stopped over here by the cops for having a dead inspection sticker. According to my calculations, right now is December 26th, 2021. So that's almost, what? Is that over a year old?
Yeah.
Expired?
That's over a year old.
I knew he was gonna pull us over.
Yeah, dude, you knew it, dude. You knew it.
I'm surprised you didn't see that. I was gonna tell him I'm open carrying, but he's gonna be like, why are you open carrying in a shirt? You know what I mean?
True.
Yo!
What do you think of that? What do you think of that?
That's your typical Fredericksburg area stuff going on right there. Man, it took us about 3.5 days to get here to the yard. Traffic was that bad. Mind you, we don't know how to put a fence up. All we're doing is repairing this fence until we get our new fence in. They're probably like, why are you repairing the fence? It looks fine. Let me show you guys. You know, typically people put a fence up for security. But I don't think this here is very secure. I mean, I don't even want a raccoon to get in here. So we gotta fix that up a little bit. Let's start by getting these old poles out and cleaning up the mess that's on the floor. I'm not a professional fence installer, so don't judge anything that I'm doing. You know, don't judge anything on this channel, because we just do everything that we feel like doing.
Yeah, that's the show.
Yeah.
For real.
Oh, look, perfect. I'll just pack it down a little bit, you know? The problem was that they would just let cars slide off the tow truck and let them hit the fence or whatever. Seems firmer than before. We'll go outside and wrap that cider. Let's move on. Like I said, we're not no professional fence installer. If you ask me, that's better than what it was before. Because before, I mean, anybody could have got in there. I'm not saying you still can't get in there, but at least it's straight. We just took a couple poles out and replaced it with some new ones. Banged them down in the ground until they were sturdy enough. And yeah, this is just temporary until we put our 14-foot fence up. Privacy fence. Don't want anybody to see in there. Now we got one more area to fix up. So see, part of this fence has I guess you would call it a privacy cover up, and then part of it is ripped off and whatnot. This fence needs some repair. But we're gonna go ahead and put that privacy cover up as much as we can. It's crazy that they couldn't even do simple little maintenance like this. They didn't care. They just wanted money in their pocket. Hey, I'm not saying that's fixed 100%, but it's on there, right? Like, this is here. Why not just have it up? Makes no sense. Go buy some heavy duty zip ties actually, because those might pop off again. I guess we can get it up there for now. Now we just need some zip ties. Heavy duty zip ties.
Much better. In the span of 5 minutes.
5 minutes, dude. I don't even think it was 5 minutes.
Maybe 2.5.
Maybe 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Crazy. We gotta move this container though. But I don't think we're moving that today. Man, it's seriously not that hard to clean up. I don't know why people can't just clean it.
How dirty would you rate the yard out of 1 out of 10?
This yard?
Yeah.
Well, right now it's much better than before. Before it was an 11.
In terms of dirtiness?
Yeah.
So what's it at now?
8. What do you think?
It looks pretty clean to me.
What do you guys think? How dirty does this yard look from a scale of 1 to 10? Including that. All that.
Are you gonna keep that shoe? The boot?
No.
You don't think you could use it?
No, I can't. Turn the top light on because this is about to be an emergency situation. I'm pretty confident in my old Ford. She gets the job done 99% of the time. This one's gonna be a real test. Let's put her on 4-wheel drive real quick.
Yo, no way.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna break the pocket. Now we gotta get a longer chain, hook it on both sides, and then hook it somewhere a little bit stronger. We'll just use the excavator tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
I think the best thing to do is just pick it up with the excavator. It's alright. Don't worry about it, truck. Look at that, dude.
So much better.
At least have some privacy, you know? We just gotta tie it up a little better so it doesn't slide off. I'm gonna put that container in that corner over there in front of that car. And that's where we'll have all the gas inside of. So if there's ever a fire, it's all contained inside of that container.
In one place, yeah, nice.